Hey, what's in these boxes? Could it be McRibs? Is Pancake hiding in one of these boxes? Does one of these boxes contain the answer to my never-ending existential dread? No, it's just sneakers, so let's open it. Hey! Yeah! The answer is no, it's just carbonated water. Hey, how's it going? I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Then I also have a website where I sell stuff from other videos called Ransom Note Sneakers, and the web address is ransomnotesneakers.com. We got a whole bunch of stuff to open up today, and by a whole bunch I mean 4 things. But before we do, hi pals! Yeah, that's basically it. Brick66 ends tonight. You can go on my eBay page. You can find the link to the eBay page in the description. I think there's 19 pairs and they're all going for way under market. So if you're interested in any of those, check that out. And yeah, let's go ahead and open up these 4 boxes in this episode that's a haul series episode. Hey now, 4 things. Like I said, first thing comes to us from, you guessed it, no you didn't guess it because I didn't give you any hints. But it's Soul Steals, soulsteals.com, @SoulSteals. It's a website that's based through Soul Supremacy. It costs $20 a month to be a member, and it gives you access to shoes under market, beater boxes, hype boxes, some Supreme stuff, which apparently things that people like. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. I think it's totally worth it, so I am a member. I think Scott does a very good job. So, and on top of that, you can find some really, really good prices on things, which is exactly why I bought this pair that we're unboxing right now. This is not a personal because it's not my size. This is obviously an Air Jordan 1. It's a size 10.5. This is a dead stock pair of the Air Jordan 1 Behrens. This is a, this colorway was to commemorate Michael Jordan's, I forget if it was AA or AAA, but he played for a team called the Behrens, and this is basically what their colors were. So very uncharacteristic of Jordan 1s. They have these stripes on the liner. This is an older pair. I think it's from like 2014, so there is a little bit of discoloration on the midsole, which is just gonna happen, but lace bag is still attached. Dead stock condition. The box is in great shape. Yeah, so this is the kind of stuff you can get, and I paid well under market for these. Soulsteals.com, @SoulSteals. This is just a really nice colorway, and it's just a really good deal on these. So check them out. Jordan 1 Behrens. Next up, we got something from a website that I just randomly found out about on Twitter. It's called Run It Back. The website address is runitback.co. I talked to someone who works on this website. We worked out a deal for a pair that is for my buddy Rahul up in Toronto, Canada. SB Heads Worldwide. Every once in a while, one of my buddies will ask me for some help trying to find a pair of sneakers, and I will do whatever I can because I like helping close personal friends. He asked me to try and find him a pair of black cement 3s in a size 11, so I did. Thank you to runitback.co, and there it is. This is obviously the 2018 release of the black cement 3. This is one of my favorite colorways of all time on a Jordan. When they released these, they did release them in large quantities, but the quality is really, really there. I mean, sometimes with larger Jordan brand releases, the quality is really, really hit or miss, but big fan of this. It's got the hang tag and everything too, so definitely check out runitback.co. Really good website. They have a good amount of, I think, sneakers and streetwear for sale, so check them out, runitback.co. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Next up, after this video, I want you guys to go check out his channel. His channel is 210 Got Kicks with a Z. This dude makes trips to Ross, vlog style thrifting or going to like Nike outlets and stuff. This guy finds awesome steals, and he's just really good at that style of video, which is really awesome because I can't do it, I will tell you that. But we made a trade. I traded him some Don C's for some cash and a pair of Air Jordan 1s in a size 11.5, which is what is in my hand right now. This is a release from this year. He was gonna distress him and hold on to him, but we just decided to trade. It's a pair of the Air Jordan 1 Turbo Green, or these were released during NBA All-Star Weekend along with a whole slew of other shoes. I'm not a huge fan of the colorway myself, but I like how they color blocked it. Suede on an Air Jordan 1 is just kind of weird to me. But then again, look who's saying it. Really, really fair trade in my opinion, and just a really good guy to do business with. So thank you, Antonio. Guys, check out his channel, 210 Got Kicks. Really, really awesome channel. Definitely hit him up with a follow. Check out a couple of his videos. The man definitely deserves more subs than he had, so this is awesome. Woo, cool. I don't like doing trades, but when someone, first of all, that I like, and someone comes to me with a fair trade, I will definitely hear it out. So this last thing we got here is from a return guest. I guess you could say he's been on the channel a whole bunch of times. Definitely check him out on Instagram and good old Twitter at Jersey Souls with some Z's in there. His handle's up on the screen right now, and there's a link in the video description. I've done business with him probably well over 20 times. Never had any problems. Really, really good dude. This is actually the pair that is going up to Canada for the giveaway winner, Daryl, because he had a pair, and I would just rather support a friend who I know does really good business, and also I'd rather just give my money to someone I know than give my money to Goat or StockX. So Daryl chose a size 12 of this pair here. Comes with the receipt with From Foot Action and the good old Jersey Souls card. This is a collaboration with Jordan Brand and Nike SB, the Los Angeles to Chicago Air Jordan 1. The purple paint strips away to red, and the yellow paint strips away to black to reveal the Chicago 1 colorway. A lot of people like this colorway because of the Lakers. Sure, if you like the Lakers, that's cool. But these are going up to Canada, and that's pretty awesome. So Daryl, these are on the way to you. Thank you, Jersey Souls. Definitely check out his Instagram and his Twitter at Jersey Souls. It's right here, I think, or it's probably in the video description. So thank you again to Jersey Souls. Thank you again to 210 Got Kicks. Thank you again to runitback.co. Thank you again to Soul Steals. And thank you again, viewer, for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I appreciate it. Much love. Remember, brick 6 cents tonight. Have a great rest of your weekend. Take care of each other, and remember to treat people the way that you want to be treated. Toodles.